I am Dr. Preetinder Bhullar. I'm a board-certified and fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon in hip and knee replacements. I did my undergrad and medical school training in Michigan at Wayne State. Then I had joined the U.S. Air Force, so then I was in San Antonio for my residency. Once I finished my commitment, went to University of California, San Francisco for another year of training, specializing in hip and knee replacements, and now back home to Michigan a decade later. I met my wife while I was in medical school, actually through a good friend of mine. So she's actually a nurse in the VA system here. Big passion of mine and my wife's is skiing. I used to race downhill actually, so on the weekends I kind of do adult racing leagues and still competitively race. But just on the day-to-day weekends, we love to be outdoors. So going to parks. Our daughter just loves to be running in the grass, going on the swings. Our dog, anytime you can take him out, he's happy. So we're excited now to just be back in the lushness and the greenness here to be outside. There's a few things I'm proud of the military that it's helped refine my skill set. One of them is teamwork and the other is leadership. I'm excited about joining Mendelson Kornblum because it's a multi-specialty group with everything under one house. And we have multiple locations to reach patients in different geographic areas, from seeing an orthopedic surgeon to a rheumatologist to a pain specialist. We can take care of you. What I respect of their heritage, what I want to deliver, that is what distinguishes this group from others, is the way we treat people. It is as genuine as it can get.